like to eat.
We here at Dollywood are considered the friendliest place in the Smokies, and so I drop on the train to keep it that way. On the count of three, I want y'all to give me your loudest howdy. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. Howdy! Wonderful, folks, just wonderful. Keep waving all those folks out there. Show them that Southern hospitality. Bye-bye, y'all. Bye-bye-bye. We're leaving Dollywood. We decided not to stay and close them down.
For the fireworks.
Yeah, we didn't want to stay for the fireworks. We're old people.
My feet killing me. My legs.
But we did get our 10,000 steps in.
That's right. Now I can go get a candy bar. I earned that today.
So, until next time, Dollywood.
Yep. We'll come back with some more family members maybe next time.
It was fun, though.
Yeah.
And I think for the price that we paid, it was really good. So.
Yeah. Wasn't like Disney prices.
No, and we actually got to ride stuff, which is really good.
Yep. I think.
I had to get my popcorn before we left.
Thank you folks for coming out and spending the day with us here at Dollywood. We hope you have a wonderful day in the park. We hope you enjoy it. We hope you have fun. We want you to come back and see us again. And thank you again, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Thank you.